Hi guys, so I've just landed into this great grand land of African savanna, the Kenya airport, and I'm so excited to be doing this video for you guys. This is me, Garima Bhandari, and I'll take you through all the intrinsic understandings of the wilderness. From the airport, we are headed directly towards Lake Nakuru. You can see on my right side, on my way from the airport to Nairobi, is the largest slum of Kenya, which is the Garima slum. And I'm going to be staying at this amazing camp called the Flamingo Hill Camp. And right now we are into the wilderness of the Lake Nakuru National Reserve. Hey guys, so we are at Lake Nakuru and this was my dream destination. Behind are the pink tall flamingos. Which is again a biggest tribute to the tallest of flamingos. All kind of flamingos can be found here. Hey guys, so as you can see that Adhya is with me and we've already seen her favorite pink flamingos, Lake Nakuru. Also, we're going to explore the rhinos, the zebras, and also some of the giraffe sightings on the way. And let's see what all we can find. Also, this place is completely free from artificial luxury and modern disturbances. That is the wilderness of safari in Kenya.